Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you here. Today, we have a fun topic. We talk about English at the gym.
Yes, many people go to the gym, but speaking English there can feel scary. Don't worry, we will help you today.
We will show you simple sentences. We will show you real conversations that you can use today.
So stay with us. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Okay, let's start our gym conversation. And yes, I promise there is no running in this video.
Good, because I already ran from my bed to the kitchen. Hi, Paul. Good to see you at the gym today.
Hi, Emily. Good to see you too. Are you ready for your workout?
Yes, I am ready. I want to exercise more. How about you?
Same here. I want to get stronger. I also want to feel healthier.
Nice. These are good goals. Workout means your exercise session. For example, my workout is 30 minutes.
Right. And exercise means any activity that makes your body work, like running, lifting weights, or stretching.
Repeat after me. I want to exercise.
So, Emily, what is your fitness goal?
My goal is simple. I want to feel strong and have more energy.
That's a great goal. My goal is to build muscle. I want bigger arms.
Well, you already have strong arms.
Thank you. But I want superhero arms. Not too big, just a little bigger.
Sure, Paul. Keep dreaming. Learners, you can say, my goal is to lose weight. My goal is to stay healthy. My goal is to get stronger. Simple and easy.
Repeat this sentence. My goal is to stay healthy.
Paul, can you help me? I want to use this machine, but I don't know how.
Of course, I can show you. First, you sit here. Then you pull the handles like this.
Oh, that looks easy.
Yes, it's easy. But be careful with the weight. Start light.
Good tip. Learners, at the gym, you can ask, can you show me how to use this? Or, can you help me, please?
These questions are polite and simple. People at the gym usually like to help. Repeat after me. Can you show me? Perfect.
Emily, how do you feel after your workout? I feel great. I feel strong and happy. How do you feel?
I feel tired, very tired. I need water.
You always need water, Paul.
Learners, here are useful phrases. I feel great. I feel tired. I feel strong. I feel sore. Sore means your muscles hurt a little.
Repeat after me. I feel tired.
How often do you come to the gym?
I come 3 times a week. What about you?
I try to come 2 times a week, but sometimes I stay home and watch movies.
That's okay. Balance is important.
Yes, and how often means the number of times you do something. For example, I go once a week. I go every day. I go sometimes.
Repeat. I go 3 times a week.
Emily, what exercises do you like?
I like cardio. I like to walk on the treadmill, and I like to dance.
Dance is great exercise. I like weight training. I like to lift dumbbells and use the machines.
Interesting. Learners, you can say, I like cardio. I like lifting weights. I like yoga.
Repeat after me. I like lifting weights.
Paul, you are doing great today.
Thank you. You are doing great too.
At the gym, you can encourage someone by saying, good job. You can do it. Keep going. Nice work.
These phrases make people feel happy and motivated.
Repeat after me. Good job.
Keep going.
Excellent. Okay, learners, now it's your turn. I will ask questions. Answer out loud.
What is your fitness goal? Pause.
How do you feel after exercise? Pause.
How often do you go to the gym? Or, how often do you exercise? Pause.
Save the sentence. Can you help me, please? Pause.
Say this. You can do it. Pause.
Great practice.
Great job today, everyone. You learned many useful gym phrases.
Yes! Today we talked about fitness goals, how to ask for help, how to talk about exercise, how to say how you feel, and how to encourage someone.
These phrases are simple, but very helpful. You can use them anytime at the gym.
Thank you for practicing with us. We are proud of you.
Write in the comments. What is your fitness goal? We want to see your answers.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.